Welcome back to Junkwith Jr. Today's finally the day. Getting up way before the sun's up today because we are northbound, hammer down, Bowling Green, Kentucky. Here we come. So waiting on my buddy Will to get here. He's riding with me, going along for the adventure. As far as I know, the truck's all good to go. Got it serviced up in the previous video. Got it all packed up. Cooler's ready to go, everything. So as soon as he gets here, we can hit that key and hit the road. Alright, let her warm up a little bit and let's let this gauge get synced up. Hopefully it doesn't on the roof here, but we should be able to just go through. Nope. Need to reset the odometer. Let's see how many miles we put on this thing. There comes the sun. Just on the south side of Gainesville, 7:14, making good time. We are cruising. Perfect traffic on the interstate today, no issues. Did have one car try to switch over lanes and almost hit us. It was a close one, but no big deal. So just been hammering down, and up here close to Lake City, had to stop for a little break and stretch our legs a little bit, and we're gonna keep on hammering down. So we're here at the truck stop, and what year is it? There's still a payphone. No, it doesn't work, but the thing's still here. How cool is that? Welcome to Georgia. 8:33 and we are in the Peach State, cruising. You know the deal, we can't go on a road trip without stopping at Carroll's. For some reason the truck develops a heck of a pull when you get to this exit, so you just got to slide on off that interstate, stop by here and get some beef jerky to roll on down the road. The world famous Buc-ee's in Georgia. Always a cool little place to stop. Cheap gas, can't go wrong. Another stop, stretch our legs a little bit. We've made it to Summit Racing. Gonna go in and check out the retail store. So it's a little bit contradicting because I do sell parts in Tampa for a living, but when you drive past a cool place like this, you gotta stop and check it out, stretch your legs, and a lot of good product, on display that normally we don't get to see, if it's not moving through the shop. So a lot of different stuff. Let's go check it out. Alright, so we just got done with our private tour in the warehouse. I couldn't take any pictures or video back there, but holy smokes, what an impressive place. So we're just going to kill some time in here, check out the retail store, and see if there's anything we can't leave without. Picked up a couple goodies, got some detailer because I left mine at home, and a number 4 cap for the fuel solenoid, had a little drip. But what an amazing place. The warehouse is just mind-boggling how massive it is in the systems. And the shelving, it's all air conditioned, just massive. So actually as we're walking out here, traffic's just starting to roll on the interstate again, so perfect timing for us to get the heck out of here and get on the north side of Atlanta. We're gonna hammer on through and see how far we can get. I'd love to get around all the Atlanta traffic, and hopefully we'll be in Bowling Green in roughly 5 to 6 hours according to the old GPS, so we're gonna keep on keeping on. Well, here's the most boring part of the drive, so we get on south of Atlanta traffic. But good news, we're really rolling at like 25 miles an hour now, so we're cooking. Downtown Atlanta. We sped up for a little while, but we're back to good old 30 mile an hour creeping through Atlanta.
Oh my Lord.
Alright, so we're sitting in north of Atlanta traffic, which is 10 times worse than Atlanta traffic. And here's this oversized load of the biggest dadgum tires I have ever seen in my life. They're beyond hanging over the stripes on both sides of this lane. I can't even imagine what the things weigh. Holy crap. Alright, the truck is running like a champ. Flawless, made it through all that traffic. No overheating issues with those Delta Pag fans that we got on there. AC is working perfect the whole time. And we found our second Buc-ee's. We are up here in North Georgia, so we just topped off with some cheap gas while we're here. And we're, I think, almost right at 4 hours to Bowling Green, and then we can find our hotel up there. So we're making really great time. It's been a great trip so far. Let's go into Buc-ee's, get some ice, and we're ready to go again. Get some of that cheap Buc-ee's ice, $1.99 for the big bags, way cheaper than the Florida ice. Come on, get out of the way, truck. Goodbye, Georgia. Hello, Tennessee. And there's the sunset. It's a pretty good day when you get to see the sun come up and go down while you're cruising your square body through Florida, Georgia, and Tennessee, almost to Kentucky. Of course, there's a truck and a construction sign right in the way. Goodbye, Tennessee. Welcome to Kentucky. We made it to the big old D Brewery Inn and Suites, Bowling Green, Kentucky, Corvette capital of the world. So finally here, not far from Holley'ss LS Fest. Safe trip, truck ran great, no issues, flawless. Just gas and goes for the truck and us the whole way up, and everything was awesome. So really blessed, couldn't ask for a better trip. Everybody's safe, that's what matters. So we got checked into the hotel. It's time to get some supper going on the grill and call it a day. So last time me and Will did this was when COVID was just starting to take off, so a lot of stuff was shut down and it was sketchy, and we didn't really want to be going in and out of places because nobody knew anything about COVID at that time. We were just being as careful as we could. So we were just having tailgate parties and picnics everywhere we went. So we figured, you know what, as enjoyable as that was, and we weren't spending a ton of money in restaurants, let's just do it again. So here we are in the hotel parking lot. Got the grill out. Got some sausage on there, which is awesome because that hog was raised by both my kids. So we got some good quality snacks on this trip.